In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit PDF files in Gmail. Gmail doesn't include a built-in editor for PDFs, but there's a simple workaround using an add-on, and I'll walk you through it from start to finish so you can make quick edits without leaving your inbox. Start by opening Gmail on your computer. Look at the right side of the screen for a vertical sidebar. If you don't see it, hover near the edge or click the small arrow to expand it. In that sidebar, you'll find a plus icon. This is where you can discover and add tools that work directly inside Gmail. Click the plus icon to open the add-ons catalog. In the search bar that appears, type PDF Filler. From the results, choose the option labeled PDF Filler for Gmail. Select it and follow the on-screen prompts to enable it. The first time you set it up, you'll be asked to register for a PDF Filler account and log in. Go ahead and create your account if you don't already have one. Then sign in so the add-on can connect to your Gmail. You may see permission prompts. Approve them so the tool can access attachments you choose to edit. Once that's connected, you're ready to use it. Open an email that has a PDF attached. On the right side of Gmail, you'll now see the PDF Filler icon alongside your other tools. Click that icon to launch the add-on. In the panel that opens, choose Upload Attachment. Select the PDF from that email, then click Continue. The file will load into the editor so you can start making changes right away. Inside the editor, you'll find a range of tools tailored for PDFs. You can add or edit text, highlight important sections, insert check marks, draw shapes, or place images and stamps. If you need to fill out forms, use the text fields to type directly onto the page. For signatures, look for the Signature tool to add your sign-off neatly. Take a moment to zoom in for precision, and use Undo if you make a mistake. As you work, keep an eye on the toolbar so you can switch between tools quickly and keep your formatting consistent. When you're done editing, review the document to make sure everything looks correct and aligned. That's it. You've successfully edited a PDF straight from Gmail using the PDF Filler add-on. It's a fast, reliable way to make changes without downloading files, juggling extra apps, or leaving your inbox. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your streamlined workflow.